Well, Bob. Hi. Look at how dirty his kitty litter is. Goodness. I never get it. I always try to keep his litter clean. And I will show you how I do it. If you're not, if you don't do this kind of stuff, or if this is your first time, I will show you. I will find a place for this. Just 1 second. The cat might want to come and explore what this is. Let's see. Oh yeah, I think I got it. Let me see. Oh yeah, I got the cat as well. Okay, I don't know. What is it? I could use this one instead. I think these were used to wipe something. I don't think so. Well, I want to clean. Bob is just sitting there facing, his back towards me and having his ears down. Hey, Bob, because you know I'm talking about you? Hey? Okay, so he's got a bunch of stuff all over. He'll grab anything into his litter. Socks, towels. He'll even try and put a big blanket. He tries. But once he has, some stuff in there, he will shit on those because it's clean. Yeah, Bob is a clean cat, or else he'll frickin' pee on our towels. That's what he does. Like if this wasn't clean, he'd be starting to do that. Hey, Bob. Yes, if you think this stinks, it does stink. That's why I'm wearing a mask. There you go. And I'm gonna put a little bit of baking soda. Yeah. So I'm just gonna sweep this off. Hey, buddy. And sweep this area as well, because you'll just grab anything that's in the way. So I'll be right back. Check if it's clean. Huh? You gotta clean up the cat's mess. Otherwise, they will start peeing on clothes. And sometimes people will complain, or cat owners that do not know what the heck to do. Simple. Get them a kitty litter. That's all. They're very clean. Even if their litter is dirt, like lots of shit in it, you have to clean it. Otherwise, they will shit on your clothes and pee on your clothes. To prevent that, you have to provide a good place for them. As example, downstairs, and we don't have a downstairs.